Okay, Bob. Well, I got her to run for a couple of seconds by taking out the spark plugs. I used a small syringe to put a few drops in each cylinder, put it back together, and it ran for about 2 seconds. Sounded good. So that eliminates being 180 degrees out, eliminates lack of spark, eliminates the timing advancement being off. So clearly not getting fuel. This is the incoming fuel. Behind this is a little screen filter. Took this off. The screen is clear. When I pump the bulb, fuel gushes out through here. So we're good to here as far as fuel supply. I've been cranking on it. Choke on, choke off. You'll see a couple of drops of fuel right there. That's from me putting fuel directly in there with a syringe. Gone needle all the way in, all the way out, extremes, and all the while cranking on it, and that doesn't seem to affect it. So my latest thought is that the float is stuck. Just maybe from, I don't know why it'd be stuck. Maybe just from sitting, drying out in a different position or something. So I can't think of anything else before I pull the carburetor out. Let me know what you think.